What's up, guys? So we have Ken's wagon parts here. We have brackets and fans, and we have everything here. So these are getting painted cast iron. Trying to see if I can get the light on it. The fan's being painted black, and another cast iron one. I'm almost done. So this one's pretty much done. Just a little touch up here and there. The fan, it's not the best. I'm gonna go over it. The surface, it was very rusty and pretty difficult to clean, so I had to deal with that. And then this here is basically done. I have little zebra stripes that I have to cover up. I already covered it up on this side. You can't see them anymore. So once this side dries, I just flip it over and do the other side. Anyways, when I'm all done, I'll take another video, but that's it, guys. Later. Just a quick little update, but now we have pulleys and bolts and washers and spacers and everything. This bracket here is done. This is done. I fixed the zebra stripe, or what did I call it last time? Zebra stripes, whatever. I fixed it on both sides, so there's no more of that. Don't want to drop it. The fan just needs some more touched up, and then I gotta flip these over and do the other side. Same with the pulley. Alright, guys, so we have a final update with Ken's parts. So we have the AC bracket here. It's all freshly painted, both sides. And then, hold on, I'm going a little bit of a rock. What? Walk. Over here, we have the fan and other brackets and parts, all painted. So yeah, just final update. Later.